Yo YouTubers, what's up everyone? In this video, I got a request at school. This person said, when I was live and then I went to school the next day, he said, I didn't know how to comment on the live chat. Now, this video is for you, okay? So, first you go to Google Chrome. Look, that's me, and that's my aunt. That's me, that's my aunt. Look, no dilly-dallying around. Okay, now, next you want to go to YouTube. You can go to YouTube. I bookmarked it. You can bookmark it and click that. You can type it in, or come up to the 6 dot by images and click that, and you can go to YouTube right there. But since I'm right there, I'm going to click this right here, YouTube. Okay, next what you want to do, but first you have to be signed in to comment on live chats. Okay, now next what you want to do is go right here to the 6 dot again by create a video or post by that, and click YouTube apps, and these are the YouTube apps. Click YouTube Gaming, okay, and it takes you to a new tab, to YouTube Gaming, and wait for it to load. Okay, now once you're there, it will take you to home, but go to live, okay. You can search on YouTube Gaming. Okay, now click on a game that you want to watch. Click on a game. Let's see. How about FIFA 18? FIFA 18. Well, it says 111 are watching. Oh, no, it says 111 are live. 111. Okay. Now click on a video of FIFA 18 that you want to watch. I'm going to do this one. Full icon team complete foot champions weekend challenge, weekend league games. Okay, click that, and it would say live now. Okay, now wait for it to load. Okay, I want to do those. Okay, let's see. Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. Okay, here's the live chat. Okay, wait. Okay, you just type it in the chat. Just type something in the chat. Okay, and then you press enter. You just type stuff in the chat, and if you're ready to send it, you press enter. See, there's my post. There's my post right there. There's my post. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's one way to do it. One way is YouTube Gaming. Now let's go to YouTube. Let's go to regular YouTube. Okay, let's go to a live video. Let's find a live video. Let's find a live video. I don't know what any live videos are. Let's see. Hold on, let's see. I'm trying to look for live videos. I don't know if there are any. Okay, let me find live. Let me type in live, V-E. Live. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. WWE Greatest Royal Rumble live stream and reactions. Here we go. 1.6 thousand are watching. Okay. And what culture wrestling? No, I don't want to do that. That's an ad. Luckily, it's an ad. Okay, now now on over to the side, this is the chat. Okay, just click down here to say something. Okay, and then your person, it says that. Okay, and so yeah, and that's how you comment in the live chat. Okay, and you can do emojis, you can do super chat, but it costs money, and your characters range from 0 to 200. Okay, that's it. If this helps, then hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below on what troubles y'all are having. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Let me know what how-to videos y'all want me to do, like how-to YouTube videos. Okay, like how to upload videos, like how to upload videos to YouTube. I've already done that I've already done that video, I think. So like, comment, subscribe. Bye.